Our Palmosh Poultry Farm started in 2019. What we do in Palmosh is that we sell live chickens and packaged chickens. I've started the business because of unemployment, and that's why I went into agriculture. I've seen my grandmother doing farming, and that developed love for farming. I told my grandmother that this is the idea that I have. I want to raise chickens. And she said, you can start at the backyard and see how it goes. So I started buying equipment and buying the feeds, bought the chicks, and I started my journey. I've learned how to take care of chickens the hard way because I started without enough knowledge. I had to depend on my supplier who was supplying me chicks on how to give them the vaccination, stress pack, the Gamboro, and other vaccinations that we give. I had to do research. I had to read manuals and guidelines for me to know how to feed the chickens. The biggest challenges that we have in poultry is that feeds prices keep on increasing, and that's affecting our revenue. The second challenge we have in small businesses, there are a lot of policies and compliances needed when you are about to access funds. As a small businesses, there are certain things that we do not qualify as yet. So that makes it difficult for one to access funds. Palmosh Poultry Farm made other young people to be aware that it is possible to start a business wherever you are with what you have. I also have other people that I'm mentoring that are getting into farming. It's a great step for young unemployed people that they are aware that you do not have to wait for employment, but you can start something. I would advise someone who would like to start a business that they should take the leap of faith and align their personality with their passion. If you are passionate about something, make sure that passion is greater than your fear. I'm quite proud of what I've achieved so far. I might not be where I want to be, but I'm certain that I'll get there with the pace that I'm running in. I see Palmosh in the next 10 years supplying retailers, supplying lodges, and having enough people who have started through the mentorship and coaching of Palmosh. And I also see it supplying vegetables that are rich in calcium and that can help the community members. Game changer means that you become the change you've been waiting for. You become a change that you want to see in a way that you implement the change. I consider myself to be a game changer because I didn't allow my education to restrict me to tap into sectors that I didn't study. I committed myself to learn about those sectors, what is expected, the skills that are needed for one to run the business. There are certain masculinity attached to agricultural sector, and as a young woman, I tapped into that sector. So that alone says a lot about changing the game.